let's put the base all around. Don't need to put a lot, just enough to fill it up the canvas. Then you torch to get the bubbles and spread to cover all the space. The consistency has to be very liquid. Mine is kind of thick. I don't know. Let's see what's gonna happen. Then I got the brilliant blue, and I think this shape is okay. Then now I'm putting the violet, just a little bit, just to blow up the color under the blue. Now the magenta. All my colors is from Arteza today. I'm gonna use all Arteza. It's very brilliant. Orange from Arteza. I think I put it too much. That's okay. A blue again, the brilliant blue from Arteza. Now swipe a little bit cover with the white. Let's clean up the spatula. Now it's ready to blow. Torch a little bit. Just to pop the bubbles. There we go. A little bit more base around to help you with the flow. Yes. The shows begin. Look, the orange. It's getting so nice under the blue and the violet. Try to not blow twice or 3 times on the top of the same one, because it's kind of not the color. But this is nice. Oh yeah. Look, all this color and shimmery from the gold. I love the orange. I was a little bit concerned about the orange, but the combination of these colors are great. Love it. This part I don't like it, but I can fix it later. Look at the gold. Oh my gosh. Just a little touch up with the fingers. And I think I'm gonna use the straw to blow a little bit the make more details. Fix it. Fix the sides. And you have to retouch the sides at least 3 times before they get dry. The corners are very important. It needs to be all covered. The cells are great. I love it. Just a little touch at the some like a empty spaces that I don't like it. Has to blow a little bit, but if I use the blow dry, it's gonna be too hard on the paint and it's gonna mess up. So it's better when you do with the mouth. Now I'm using the straw and to make just a little details, make more interesting the painting. Love it. Oh, look at that composition. It's great. So many details on that paint. And the cells are forming. It's beautiful. At the beginning, I didn't like that part because it's kind of too strong. But if you see from up, it looks so nice. I don't want to touch it. It's kind of a strong part of the painting. The rest of it is so like very light, but then has points like strong colors, and I kind of like it. Yeah, I like it. Torch a little bit, a little bubbles, and look how much cells they're forming when you torch the paint. checking to see if I need to change something or just let that stay like that. That's the finished result, and I hope that dries just like that. If you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe and like it and touch the bell to see the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.